From the Stripe dashboard, click on More around the bottom left of your screen, and you can find Quotes option to see the full list of your quote according to the Stripe AI helps. But if you cannot find it, if you just recently open any quotes on your Stripe, you can actually find it under the shortcuts and click on quotes to access it. But if you don't find it there, click on the customers option over here. Select random customer to open their details. Then hit the three horizontal dots around the top right corner and select create quote option. After that, select a random product or services that you currently have. Then hit the X button at the top left of your screen and click on the quotes just like here. There you go, you will see your full quotes list. And to make it easy for you to access the quotes from now on, under the shortcuts, hover your mouse on top of the quotes and click this pin logo to pin the quotes shortcut. You are then good to go. To unpin it, just click on this X logo besides it. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.